hang tight, hang tight. Now, go! Well, hello everyone. This video and trip takes us over 3,000 kilometers, 4 provinces, and through some of the most beautiful country Eastern Canada has to offer. We meet up with family and have one of the most amazing father and son waterfowl hunting trips ever. If you're not up for a hunting video, we'll catch you on the next one. If you are, brace yourself for one terrific experience caught right on film. Enjoy. Well, good morning everyone. We're out by the edge of a pond here now. It's not quite daylight, but we're all set up. One of our favorite spots. I don't plan on doing a whole lot of filming today in this spot, and I'll save it for another day, but I brought along the camera just in case some real good shots come along, so you guys can see it all unfold. Wish us luck. Now I know you guys can't see anything yet. It's a lot darker on the camera, though it is in real life, and right now it's just about light enough to shoot, and it's that time in the morning when your heart starts to flutter. A few more beats per minute, because you've been waiting for this for a long time, and you expect the birds to come in, and you never know what's going to happen. There may be some come in, and maybe none come in, so it's just like you're waiting with bated breath, just to see what's going to take place in the next few minutes or seconds even. I mean, just look at this. This is what you miss if you're not out in the morning before daylight, sitting in a duck line. Man, oh man. It's beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Okay, it's gotten shooting time. Normally, there'd be some birds in here before this. Maybe it's just a late morning. I just saw 2 crows fly over, and usually the crows fly first in this area, and then followed by the ducks. But I've only seen 2 crows yet, so maybe birds are going to be a little bit later this morning. I have to wait and see. Woohoo! Boy, it's got a couple.
That was a good shot. That was
Woohoo! That was crazy! Woohoo! That's enough, isn't it? That's crazy. That was a good shot. Everybody had a good crack that time. Well, guys, that was the shot we were looking for. There's all sorts of more birds flying around, but we're going to leave them now.
I shot at a greenhead.
That was enough for today. That was a good shot. Everybody had a crack. Hey, Andrew.
Oh, yeah.
You knocked down one long ways away. I tell you, everybody's happy. Good stuff, boys. Good stuff. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Man, must have been a dozen at one time. Was it coming down that time?
I don't know a lot.
Well, just a whole bunch just came down. That's what we're looking for. And say they're still flying around, so good stuff. Oh, guys, that was a great team effort. Nobody shot until all the birds were, you know, almost landed. And we all had our cracks, so we're going to pick all these up now. I know these birds are going to be the best, too. Nice big black ducks. I think we got some mallards at the other end too. Beautiful, beautiful birds. Look at the table. They're fully mature. Nice big fat birds, and nice good clean shots. They'll make good fare for the table, they will. Wow, good job, man. Good job, Greg. Hey, this is Greg. What's your last name, Greg?
Shields.
Greg Shields, yeah. He's here with us today for the hunt. Oh, you got a nice green head there, Greg.
Beautiful duck. Nice double curl on him.
Look at that. Oh man, you can't get better than that. I know
It's a long shot with him.
That was a line shot, eh?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, he fell out in the woods on the other side of the pond.
Yeah. Thought I was gonna lose him, but no.
Good shot.
He was dead where he landed.
Andrew saw one go up in the woods, and we looked, and we got another green head there. Not quite as mature, but mallard all the same. Kale's out picking up the birds there. Remainder. Great morning, guys.
Little bit was where we got most of them.
Yeah.
That was a whole lot of shooting.
I think any duck.
Well, guys, that was just such a great experience there. We waited, you know, all of our family members are here and kind of joke and kid amongst each other all the time and torment each other if we miss a shot. So kind of ended up just right where everybody got a bird or so. And now we're going to pack up. That's enough. We had lots of birds that were flying around afterwards. We just left them there for next time or for somebody else. And the next page you're going to see in this video, we're going to be goose hunting. So stick around. Well, good morning. Here's the spread. Get the decoys out. Got the hay bales there. You can just see the guys' head and shoulders are going to sit down behind those hay bales. The geese come in from this way. There's a bunch of salt water out that way. They fly in daily. It's always a gamble here. You don't know if the geese are going to come in. You don't know if they're going to come to this field. And we've never hunted this field before, most of us. So we just kind of sized it up the best we could there. And just hope for the best. Throw out your decoys, sit down with the guys, tell a few stories, maybe even a couple of lies, and have a good time. Family and friends, goose hunt. Fingers crossed they come in. Woohoo! Well, this is what it looks like inside the blind. We're hidden and you can see the birds come over that way. This morning I'm shooting a brand new Browning Auto 5 semi-automatic. It takes 3.5-inch shells or smaller. Picked that one up at Blue Ridge Incorporated in Looseport. Big shout out to the boys. They're awesome to me. Supplied me with that gun. And I also got some shells from there called Wicked Wing XDs, Browning shell, 3.5-inch magnums. Shot number 2, 1,500 feet per second. Put a few of them in my gun now. Good looking shell. Hopefully they hit the mark. There's the peephole here, kind of in the little notch there between those two hay bales. And I think the game plan is that as soon as we see them top the trees there, give a couple honks, catch their attention, hopefully get them to swing over this way. Think it's a good plan, Andrew?
It's a pretty good plan.
I got Andrew, my son, on that side. Got my father on this side. And that's Jim. And then Kale is behind that. So it's a pretty good crew, I think. Let's see who makes a good shot of it. Alright, they're a long ways away. They're a long ways away. There's a big string of them. I don't know if they'll come down as easy or not when they're kind of in a V, but let's see what happens here. Oh, they're coming. Don't move. Just stay still. Stay still. Good shooting, boys. Good shooting. Yes, sir.
That worked out pretty well.
Well, guys, that worked out good. They came right down, right down. Oh, look at that, boys. Look. Oh, man, that worked out good, buddy.
Yes, sir.
Man, what a size, what a size.
I wonder if We all shot at the same one.
I don't know.
I saw.
Yeah.
When I pulled the trigger, everything folded on him.
Oh yeah.
We probably all shot at the same bird.
Good stuff, boys. Excellent. Well, it was a little bit slow. The camera was a little slow starting off there. But they came in and they dropped immediately. They didn't even hesitate. They came right down, straight for the decoys, swung in front, and we just took them as they were flying by. So that was good. And it was early, a bit earlier than I thought. So hopefully there's some more come in. That was fun. Keep your head down, guys. Keep down to right low. I can't. Okay, when I tell you, keep down, keep down, keep down, keep down, keep down. Okay. Here we go. Woohoo! That was great.
Man, they're coming right for it.
How's that, eh? That was some good cleanup. That was wicked shooting. This is awesome. Let's see what happens. We're still a couple 100 yards away yet. This could be a flyby. We'll see what happens there. They're high up in the sky yet too.
Some of them will peel off here, I guarantee you.
Okay, Jim thinks there's going to be some land here. Let's see what happens there now. They're coming straight this way for the field anyway. Keep your heads in, boys. I'll guide you now. They're still 150 yards out. I think they must see the decoys because they're coming straight at us. Okay, their wings are starting to go down, so I think that they might land. Yeah, their feet are down, and their wings are down. No, don't move. I think they're going to circle to the right, if anything. Don't move, don't move, don't move. They're going to be a bit high in the sky, I think, guys. I think they're going to fly over our head. Too far, are they? Too far. Let's give a couple honks there. Oh, their wings are, they're considering it, guys. Let them go a bit. Oh, they're circling again. They're circling again. Oh, they're coming. Don't move. Just stay still. Stay still. Oh yeah, they're coming. They're coming. Stay down. Stay down. They're not in range yet. I'll give you a few seconds. Hang down. Hang tight. Hang tight. Hang tight. Hang tight. Now, go. Good job. Good job. I can't believe they came back. Well, guys, that don't happen every day. They circle around 3 or 4 times. They saw us. They had to see us. But they were a quiet bunch. They're used to feeding here, and they came back. So we got some more of that bunch, and I think that's about it. We might call it a wrap there. That's fantastic, fantastic hunting. Anybody who wants geese knows that don't happen every day, but it just took place here. So we're happy. The boys are happy. What do you think of that, Andrew?
Oh, unreal.
That is a wicked, wicked hunt. I've never had that happen before. Geese circle around, saw us, and came down like that. What a great, great morning. Goose hunting in Nova Scotia.
He just started flying.
Yeah. So guys, that's some of them. There's some back in the truck there. But just look at those beautiful sized birds. Beautiful, beautiful. They'll make some table fare. Feeding on here in the grass. Late in the year, they will be excellent, excellent birds to eat. I just can't wait to try one. Those geese, they're just packing up there and they're still flying around. They still want to land, but we chose not to shoot anymore. We've got enough now for the day and a lot of picking to do. So, well guys, that's it now. We got everything packed up, heading home. More than happy. Unbelievable day. I can't wait to do it again. We come back every year, and it's because of this. This makes it all worthwhile and exciting. So until next time, guys, take care of each other, get outside, and enjoy everything outdoors. We'll see you next time. Guaranteed. No interruptions that time?
No.
What is going
I was
on?
thinking of it, but
Well, after this morning, I put the camera away, and we enjoyed each other's company for the rest of the week. Cousin Cal harvested a deer, and just like that, another fabulous family hunt was in the books. I can't wait to do it again next year.